I'm Josh Navidi, ex-Welsh and Cardiff rugby player and recently retired. So I grew up in Bridgend, lived there up until I was 15, and then I moved to Lantern Major and I've lived here ever since. My mum's a Welsh speaker, so she talks to me in Welsh, but I answer in English, so I want to pick up that way, that I want to get my Welsh back. When I used to speak to my nine, I would always make an effort with her to speak in Welsh. So I just like to get that back and get my Welsh tongue back and to be able to have conversations with people in Welsh. All my mum's side of the family have come from Gogledd Cymru. All them Welsh speakers. Every time we go up there, they would speak Welsh to me. And as a youngster, I used to be able to converse and talk to them, but I've lost it over the years because I went to English school, and it'd be nice to just get that back and get back to talking Welsh, because when I